An 18 forecast. News 18. Weather from where you live.
Boy, did we have a lot of severe weather last night from Nebraska and the Dakotas through Minnesota, Wisconsin, northern Illinois, boy, all the way to New Jersey and Pennsylvania. Winds gusting near 90 miles an hour around midday today in New Jersey. This specific area storms right here, that's the one that put out the outflow boundary today and brought the cloudiness to our area this afternoon. An outflow boundary is the rain-cooled air that surges out of a thunderstorm, and that boundary has laid up about right in this zone. And that is where storms are firing now. Also, when you get a lot of clusters of severe storms, there's so much rising air motion with those storms, the air pressure at the surface drops. And with the Coriolis effect of the spinning Earth, you can spin up a little MCV, a little vortex, a little kind of meso-low, and those can bring storms like 24 hours later. They're a trigger for additional storms. So that said, here's the boundary, and here's one of those little disturbances called an MCV that's sitting out here near Quincy, Illinois. And both will work to bring some storm risk getting into the evening hours. You can see the storms lining up in our southern counties right now. These are really pulsing up near I-74, just south of Crawfordsville, around Mill Creek Township here, and south of Vedersburg, and around Kingman. Perhaps a little pea to marble hail in that cell that's moving towards Newmarket in Montgomery County. You can see some of the hail signatures here indicating a little small hail with that. Other storms will form in central Illinois and move eastward. Widespread damaging wind event would tend to be over central and western Illinois back towards Missouri. That's where the watch is located. But we still have the risk of a few severe storms in our area this evening with 75 by 11 o'clock. Now, tomorrow morning, patchy fog as any rain will be out of here. 68 degrees for the low. There's your slight risk of severe weather right through the evening hours for pretty much areas around Lafayette and southward. It's marginal north. Marginal is isolated. Yellow or slight would be scattered severe. Main threat wind, secondary threat would be a little hail. There are the storms right there at 7:30. Here are the other storms coming in from the west. So some scattered storms through evening. Some rain lingering into the overnight before it pulls out of here, followed by some patchy fog, and then nothing more than a couple isolated storms tomorrow. Then we watch a dry but very warm to hot weekend. A few storms on Friday, and then the remnants of this tropical storm or hurricane moving northeastward, likely landfall near Louisiana, merges with a low over Iowa. That'll strengthen the storm. It'll strengthen this cold front, and that means even if we have a lot of clouds on next Wednesday, we may very well have some severe weather risk. There's your 91-degree high tomorrow, and on Friday, there's your 92-degree high with some storms possible later on in the day. And of course, we'll be updating the blog throughout the evening. 79's normal, 89's for the weekend. We heated up Monday, Tuesday, and then pretty widespread rainfall on Wednesday.
All right, Chad.